If you are looking for a professional and experienced land surveyor in Gurgaon Sector 29, then look no further. Our company specializes in providing high-quality land surveying services in this area. With our expertise and knowledge, we can help you with all your land surveying needs. When it comes to land surveying, accuracy is key. Our team of skilled surveyors uses the latest technology and equipment to ensure precise measurements and data collection. Whether you need a boundary survey, topographic survey, or construction staking, we have the skills and tools to get the job done right. In addition to our expertise in land surveying, we also offer Scon design services. Scon design is an important aspect of any construction project as it helps determine the best location for structures and infrastructure on a piece of land. Our team of designers works closely with our surveyors to create detailed Scon designs that meet your specific requirements and adhere to all applicable regulations and standards. We understand that every project is unique, which is why we take a personalized approach to each job. Our team will work closely with you to understand your goals and objectives, and we will tailor our services to meet your needs. Whether you are a developer, architect, engineer, or homeowner, we have the expertise to assist you throughout the entire land surveying and Scon design process. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction sets us apart from other land surveying companies in Gurgaon Sector 29. We strive to exceed our clients' expectations by delivering accurate and reliable results in a timely manner. Our team is dedicated to providing exceptional service and professionalism on every project we undertake. So if you are in need of a land surveyor in Gurgaon Sector 29 or require Scon design services, don't hesitate to contact us. There is no need to seek any farther if you need a qualified and experienced land surveyor in Gurgaon Sector 29. In this region, our business specializes in offering top-notch land surveying services. We are able to assist you with all of your land surveying needs, thanks to our experience and knowledge. Accuracy is essential in land surveying. To ensure accurate measurements and data collection, our team of knowledgeable surveyors makes use of the most recent tools and technology. We have the knowledge and resources to complete any survey, including boundary, topographic, and construction staking. We provide Scon design services in addition to our knowledge of land surveying. Any construction project must include Scon design since it aids in choosing the optimal location for buildings and infrastructure on a plot of land. Our design team collaborates closely with our surveyors to produce thorough Scon designs that satisfy your particular needs and comply with all relevant laws and standards. We tackle each project individually because we recognize that every project is special. In order to fully grasp your aims and objectives, our staff will work directly with you. Then, we'll customize our services to fit your requirements. We have the knowledge and experience to help you through the whole land surveying and Scon design process, regardless of whether you are a developer, architect, engineer,